How to verify your phone number in Roblox application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Roblox application and log in with your account details. Once logged in, go to your profile, click on more option and here you can see the option of setting gear icon. Simply click on it. Then after go to account info. From your account info, simply click on phone number and beside it click on add. Here simply provide your phone number and click on add phone. Once you do, you simply need to provide your password to verify your identification. Then after you will receive 6-digit code on your mobile phone. Simply provide that digit code here and click on verify. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to verify your phone number on Roblox. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.